somewhere along the line, I fell in love with angel investing. I'm completely self-taught, and everything I learned myself from my first IPO, which was actually a direct listing with Spotify. That was my
Nice.
first exit there. And you learn as you go. And that's kind
Yep.
of what I've done. In 2021, I decided to start Lightning Ventures, which is a boutique venture capital firm that's just focused on Bitcoin startups. That's it. Cutting small checks to founders, trying to be helpful in any way that we can. And I started up a syndicate, which is basically a group of investors who pool their capital together to invest in startups. So if
Yep.
you're in the Lightning Ventures syndicate, you might get a deal that says Lightning Ventures invites you to invest in XYZ company, right? Or any portfolio company that we have. And the minimums are always very low, only $1,000. It's a great way for an angel investor or aspiring angel investor who's maybe a Bitcoiner but wants to be exposed to some of this to be able to invest small amounts in some Bitcoin startups that they know and love. So we operate that investor syndicate through Lightning Ventures. We deployed a pilot fund. It was very small. It was a friends and family fund. And then most recently, we got a FINRA crowdfunding portal license and we launched Thunder Funder. And Thunder
Yep.
Funder is a way that retail who aren't accredited investors, or basically nearly anyone, I say nearly because it's not everyone, can invest in these type of offerings. So there's a little bit more red tape, and we're dealing with FINRA and the SEC and all of that stuff that goes into it. The minimums are also a little less than 1,000. It's hard to believe that there's less than 1,000. But Thunder Funder is fairly new, and that's something that we're really kind of working on, doing a big platform upgrade. It's going to look great when it's done. And yeah, that's kind of the gist of everything we have going on over here.